Today, multiple myeloma patients can be optimistic about the future. This is a difficult, hard disease. We know it can alter a lot the quality of life of the patient. However, I believe there is a lot of hope. Besides the classical chemotherapy, melphalan, cyclophosphamide, for many years we've been using the proteasome inhibitors as a one family of drug. The IMiDs, they are well established. Now, the good news is that antibodies, especially anti-CD38 antibodies, are being routinely used, and they are making a huge difference in the outcome of the patient who are receiving them. Based on this ASH 2019, I think we can add an additional component to the therapeutic armamentarium, namely immunotherapy, whether cellular therapy with the CAR T cells, but also the BiTE antibodies, the conjugate antibodies. So it is really a very promising era, and it brings a lot of hope to all patients.